Welcome viewers. In this video we shall learn three ways of multiplication, and these three ways of multiplication are: number 1, long multiplication method; number 2, grid method; and number 3, Gelosia method or lattice method. So let us start with long multiplication method, and we shall learn this method by an example, and the example is as follows: multiply 324 by 21. So let us see how to multiply these two numbers by using long multiplication method. First of all, we shall write 324 like this and 21 here, and now we shall draw this line and write the sign of multiplication. Now we shall multiply 324 by 1. This means the unit digit of this 21, and if we multiply 1 with 4, this means 4 times 1 is 4, and we shall write here, and 2 times 1 is 2, 3 times 1 is 3, and now we shall write a 0 here and start multiplying 324 by this 2. 4 times 2 means 8, 2 times 2 is 4, 3 times 2 is 6. Now we shall add these two numbers. 4 plus 0, 4, 2 plus 8, 10. We shall write 0 here and carry 1 here. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 4 is 8, and 6 here. So this is the multiplication of 324 and 21. Let us take another example, and the example is multiply 471 by 49. So first of all, we shall write 471 here and 49 here. Now we shall multiply 471 by this 9. Then 1 times 9 is 9. 7 times 9 is 63. We shall write 3 here and carry 6 to this place. And 4 times 9 is 36. 36 plus 6 is 42. And now we shall write 0 here and start multiplying 471 by this 4, and this means 1 times 4 is 4, 7 times 4 is 28. We shall write 8 here and carry 2 to this place, and 4 times 4 means 16. 16 plus 2 is 18. And now we shall add these numbers. 9 plus 0 is 9. 3 plus 4 is 7. 2 plus 8 is 10. We shall write 0 here and carry 1 over here. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 8 is 13. We shall write 3 here and carry 1 here. 1 plus 1 is 2. So this is the solution of the multiplication of 471 and 49. So this is long multiplication method. Let us move to the second method, and that is grid method, and we shall learn this method by two examples. In example 1, we have to multiply 324 by 21. Therefore we shall write this 324 in expanded form. So the expanded form of 324 is 320 and 4. 300 plus 20 plus 4. And we shall also write this 21 in its expanded form, and that is 20 plus 1. And now we shall start filling these boxes. First of all, we shall multiply 300 with this 20. Then we get 3 times 2 is 6, and we shall write 3 zeros with this 6. And now we shall multiply 20 with 20, we get 400. 4 with 20, we get 80. And if we add these numbers in boxes, then we get 6480. And now we shall multiply 300 with 1, then we have 300 here, 20 here, and 4 here. And now we shall add these 320 and 4, then we have 324. If we add these numbers, then we have 4, 0, 8 and 6. So this is the solution of the multiplication of 324 by 21. So this is called the grid method. Let us take another example, and that is 471, and we have to multiply 471 by this 49. Then we shall draw the grid like this. We shall write 471 in its standard form like this: 400 plus 70 plus 1, and as well as this 49 like this: 40 plus 9. And now we shall start filling these boxes by multiplying 400 with 40, then we have 16 and with 3 zeros, 28 with 2 zeros, and here is 40. And if we add these numbers in boxes, then we have 18,840. And now we shall multiply 400 with 9, then we have 3600. 70 with 9, that is 630, and 1 with 9, then we have 9. If we add these numbers, then we have 4239. And we add these numbers, this number and this, then we have here 9, here 7, 0, 3 and 2. This is 23,079. So this is the solution of the multiplication of 471 by 49. So this method is called grid method. Let us move to the third method, and that is lattice method, or we can say Gelosia method. So let us see how to multiply using this method. And we shall use the same examples, and in example 1 we have to multiply 324 by 21. Therefore we shall draw a grid like this, and now we shall write this 324 like this and 21 here, and we shall draw the diagonals like this. Actually this method is also called diagonal method. And now we shall start multiplying these digits of the two numbers. First of all, we shall multiply 4 with 2 to get 8, and we shall write 8 here and 0 here. Now we shall multiply 2 with 2 to get 4. We shall write 4 here and 0 here, and 3 times 2 is 6. We shall write 6 here and 0 here. And now we shall multiply 4 with 1. This means 4 times 1 is 4. We shall write 4 like this. 2 times 1 is 2. We shall write 2 like this. 3 times 1 is 3. We shall write 3 like this. So we have filled all the places in the boxes, and now we shall start adding these numbers diagonally. And if we add this diagonal, we just have 4. If we add 8, 0 and 2, then we have 10. and therefore we shall write 0 here and carry 1 to this diagonal. If we add 4 plus 3, we have 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. We shall write 8 here. And here we have just 6. So we shall write 6 here. And in this diagonal, we have 0. So we just have the number, and that is 6804. So the multiplication of 324 by 21 is 6804. So this method is called lattice method or Deleuze method or diagonal method. Let us take another example, and that is multiply 471 by 49. And now we shall write this 471 like this and 49 here, and start multiplying. 1 times 4 is 4. We shall write it like this. 7 times 4 is 28. We shall write 28 like this. 4 times 4 is 16. We shall write 16 here. 1 times 9 is 9. 7 times 9 is 63. We shall write 63 like this. 4 times 9 is 36. We shall write 36 here. And now we shall start adding diagonally. And if we add this diagonal, we just have 9. 4 plus 3 is 7. If we add these numbers, then we have 20. And we shall write 0 here and carry 2 to this diagonal. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. We shall write 3 here and carry 1 to the next diagonal. And here is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So the solution is 23,079. So the multiplication of 471 by 49 is 23,079. So these are the 3 ways of multiplication. Thank you.